pedestal is composed for the breakers. The breakers. Each breaker is with one outlet. Yeah, I have one breaker for this outlet and other breaker for the other outlet. The same here. In other words, I can attend one boat here and other boat here. No? Be careful if you are the captain of the boat with the capacity of the pedestal. The capacity of the pedestal should be equal or higher than the capacity of my boat, the main breaker in my boat. No? That's critical. It's important. For that reason, it's important that you communicate with the marina before you arrive to that marina. Two things: if they have the pedestal for that type of boat, if they have the same outlets that you have in your short power cables, and if the capacity in amps of the breaker is enough. And in some cases, I prefer send a picture of my outlets in order that they verify with the outlets of the marina if they need adapters, because in some cases they need adapters. And I love it when I arrive that everything be ready. Oh, let me bring an adapter, but it's 4 p.m. tomorrow. Let your boat with generator until tomorrow. No, my friend, I don't like that. I called to you yesterday. You say that everything is ready. It's not ready. You don't have the adapters. Yeah, you understand? Okay, if you check here, you have this small computer and the hour meter to indicate the consumption in watts, the power, the consumption in watts of your boat. You have one in this side and you have another one in the other side, the hour meter. You have the positive bus bar for hotline, for neutral, hotline, and ground. 2 hotlines, neutral, and ground. And you have donuts in each phase. Why you need those donuts? Because this is the only way. I don't have ammeters here. It's not for ammeters. Those donuts is for the consumption, for the consumption of amps in each phase. Because the marina, you paid according with the consumption in amps in each phase. For that reason, you have one donut in each phase. You see? Everybody follow me? This particular pedestal is 3 phase. You have 3 donuts. 3 donuts, and with the consumption, according with the flow passing through those donuts, is the money that you pay in the marina. And that's it. You have a bus bar for hotline, neutral, and other small one here for ground. You have a hotline, neutral, and here the ground. Here is the ground in the side. And you have the 3 donuts, the computer, the control, and the hour meter. Each day in the marinas, at the end of the day, the administrator pass through the pedestals, checking the consumption boat per boat. And at the end of the week, they add it and they send to you the bill, week per week or each 2 weeks, depending on the marina. Other thing, in some pedestals, they have in the bottom, you see, antenna for TV, for cable, antenna for cable. You see, antenna connection for TV, satellite TV, or direct TV, depending on the marinas. In other pedestals, you have a faucet of water here. I don't like that. I don't like the faucet of water together because it's water separated a couple of inches with the electricity, high tension. This is not good. For me, this is a wrong decision. Water here and high tension here. You have three phases, 100 amps per phase, and you have a leak of water, splashing water over there. And additionally, in the pedestal, they have lights, LEDs here, indicating that the pedestal is with power. In the night is easy. In the dock, see the pedestals. This is a donation of one of my students, Ryan Masai. Thank you, Ryan. Some years ago. Okay, great. Where is coming the power? This is one of the pedestals. I have other pedestal here, other over there. I have in total 17 pedestals in this dock. Where is coming the power for this pedestal? From the main transformer at the beginning of the dock. Let me explain something about those transformers. Look at this. This is a typical dock. And this is the transformer, the big transformer at the beginning of the dock. You remember at the beginning of the dock you have a cabinet, metallic cabinet. You open the cabinet and you have a lot of breakers, big breakers for pedestal 1, pedestal 2, pedestal 3, pedestal 4. All of the pedestals, they have breakers over there. And in the cabinet you have a big main breaker. That's the main breaker, the big one, for the input power, coming from the transformer in front of the street. You understand? From that transformer, enter in this transformer. And this transformer have a small output. What type of transformer is this?
Step down.
Step down. This one, in between this and this, look, in between this and this, 240, 60. Other 240, 60. Other 240, 60. For pedestal 1, pedestal 2, pedestal 3, those are the outputs. Everybody follow me?
Yes.
Is a big step down transformer. It's exactly the same like in your home. The transformer that you see in the post in front of your home supply power for 2 blocks. And per home, the output is 240, 60 hertz, double phase. And this is the 240, 60 hertz that you have in the panel in your home. The transformer, the big one that you have in front, is a step-down transformer with one input of 12,000 or 24,000 volts and different small outputs of 240 per each home. It's exactly the same with the pedestal. This is one home, other home, other home, each pedestal. Everybody follow me? And of course, in this one, each breaker is 100 amps. Each breaker is 100 amps. This one is 60 hertz, 200 amps. 60 hertz, 200 amps, because they have 2 breakers of 100 amps each one. Everybody follow me? This is the situation. And this is the pedestal that I have in front of my boat, but that this pedestal is brother of other 15 pedestals and depend of the big transformer at the beginning of the dock. Pay attention. This is a big marina with 7 docks. 7 docks. At the beginning of each dock, one big transformer like this. One cabinet. And all of those 7 transformers, big ones, depend of the big one in front. For that reason, I have the land to develop a project. I want to create a marina. The number one element that you need to verify is, I have enough power in this transformer in front of my land for my project. How many pedestals I want to install? According with my architects, I am going to install 75 pedestals. 75 pedestals with the 240 volts, 200 amps each one. I need this plus this plus this. I need that amount of power. You need to call FPL or the municipal supply of power and ask to them if that transformer is enough for this number. No, it's not enough. Probably we need to upgrade that transformer. But if you want it, because you have the money, we can upgrade the transformer for you. That's okay? This is in my opinion, one of the most important parts when you develop a marina, is the power. Because there are mega yachts that they don't need 240, 60. They need 380, 3 phases, 400, 500 amps. No? For that reason, in the marinas, there are docks with pedestal with high capacity, three-phase, other docks with a double phase pedestal, other docks with only single and double phase. Yeah, depend of the boats. The boats are located in different areas.
How common is it?